na be.
What's what the documents about?
Dear Juma.
No, to am normally. Confirmation account. Oh, me nya pay am say
the all cano. Jim. And I have the pictures of the land when the contractors were on the project, more the documents and everything now. But I have an issue in it. Oh, more the more the document that the one who will propose in Choma Kotoko and one Kotoko route. It involves circle 001 and there are some eba and then maybe Hujuma. It involves circle 001 and see America. Omuna propose to Kotoko. Kotoko replied that. This is the proposal from Circle 001.
Who are supporters of Kotoko?
Yes.
And one person.
My main farmer born to was a make kind on a bond, so the fair proposal no. The only trouble Kotoko that to Sunti Bon Marcel.
Baba, you better obey a summary of that.
Only Nana said, almost say, until North American Secretary 001 collaboration with Asante Kotoko Old Players Association, GYM Project. Project overview. Secretary 001 is excited to announce the initiation of collaborative GYM project with Asante Kotoko Old Players Association.
Okay, so I beg you, hold on. Is it the announcement or the proposal to Kotoko? Because I'm getting confused.
Where the both announcement is a proposal because
the proposal come over, you don't say you are excited to announce. It can be
both. It can be both, and it can be both. Because I have key points. On more key points now. Seed funding. Secretary 001 will kick off the project with an initial seed money of $40,000 to cover the preliminary costs. Media tour. The Old Players Association will assist in organizing a media tour to solicit support from Asante Kotoko fans for building materials or cash donation. Donation process. Secretary 001 will provide a Momo account and the contact number of designated person to receive any building materials or donations. Recognition of legacy. Portraits of the old players will be prominently displayed on the walls of the new building, honoring their contribution to the club. Where a new one?
Wait, me bow. So the proposal has been sent to Kotoko.
Yeah, and now I have the Kotoko letter.
And the Kotoko
respond. And my men are so fair no more born again to make kind of or they are too fast. Born. Me the Kotoko then so I'm more fast. And Kotoko on their letterhead. February 4th. As I say, enrich ya nanu ya number.
Enrich is over a month.
February sorry. I'm sorry. And the time na Kotoko you mean na
kwano.
Yes. Sadana. Proposal to contract a gym center at Adokodachi for Asante Kotoko. We acknowledge the receipt. Kotoko. Here to Secretary 001. We acknowledge the receipt of your letter regarding the above mentioned subjects. We are pleased to inform you that management have reviewed your proposal for the construction of a training gym and are delighted to accept it. After careful consideration, we believe that your proposed design and project align perfectly with our vision. We appreciate the effort and details put into your proposal, and we are confident that your STEAM circle will deliver high quality facility that meets our expectations. Kindly consider this letter as formal acceptance and let us proceed with the next steps, including finalizing the timelines, site location, and any other necessary arrangement. And yours.
Let's go back to the proposal from circle.
And Tibon Fatiso.
Back to one. Okay, now we know say there's a proposal from Sector 001. The proposal has been accepted by Kotoko. They will need seed funding. Ombe providers and 40,000. Then media talk. One money road in here. Oh, sorry. Seed funding. The media tour. The whole players who assist in organizing a media tour. All players association here.
Circles now collaborating.
The everyone would players association because on some more legends.
More legends.
I know more all players nana poku free relate more. A year we quote legends, no. Yeah, no, says it the legends
the kind of
a media tour to solid support for Kotoko. Media tour way.
They want to raise
for building materials or cash donations. Okay, then donation process. They will provide a Momo account and the contact number of a designated person to receive any building material donation. Why they provide the Momo account?
So, raise funds.
That's the media. You provide the Momo account. Okay. Recognition of legacy, portrait of the old players. That's fine. Born Yanko. And contem Kakana debate my coin. Asa
Bako. I mean,
the walls of the new building honoring their contributions to the club. I know Black and Goodrunner.
Nina one.
Sir.
Nina one.
Oh, okay. To get Asa?
There's another ongoing support.
Sir, groundbreaking ceremony. Ongoing support, okay. Providing additional cash support as the project progresses to ensure a successful completion. Groundbreaking ceremony in the state of Circle 001. The leadership of the Old Players Association officially cut the soil to mark the commencement of the project completion timeline. The goal is to complete and hand over the project to Kotoko by August 31, 2026. That will be the birthday of Asante Kotoko. Together, we will create a lasting legacy that strengthens the foundations of Kotoko and nurtures future generations of players. Let's unite for this important initiative. Okay, so
designed, like what? Made a born again designer or more
the gym.
Ti born. Born the camera or more site and so no. Baby, or more yam
side do play, 001.
Any Kotoko MC ni bia or more a mom baby and Benty. Udi camera no na or more a site and so na. Yes, or more site so now more measure. And Yama or Honina until Udi camera site the answer yako and she omuni so too. Yeah, and an up and kind of shit into no. Other pictures, Baba, you rule fast. Only the show, no. Borrow features, no, I'm not fast now.
And I want to
I want to believe, say, a contractor now. So, money. Auntie, until Uru, other ones now, you see it clear. Oh, baby, no Kusapians war.
No, dear picture, much drama directors, we go to
Kusapians war. So, on him bring ya. Auntie, the 20 Ahana, now on my site, and I know more Bibia or Messi Jim, no. Na omo ye ho ejuma nyina nti enu ni ti omo wie no anti ti
omo ye na den
ti omfa yi owia no amaye the designer omo
Jim no ayi no
Jim no ayi na omo ayi no na yeah
bon ho
ewo bon obe ho ejuma nyina nti we na measurement ni Champions na contractor na I want to believe so or not.
Na we see zano me no.
So musu ebia asasra. Artistic impression in this is the artistic impression of what Omodama Kotoko which Kotoko letter now must say after reviewing mom say any more vision any what they want to do already no pet.
And you apart from support then go for the baba no. It's fully funded by 001.
And that is what it is in the letter. Honor somewhere but
by design.
Oba be ho adwuma.
Design no na me wo yi kakra o.
This is it. Well,
yi kakra issue kakra o.
No issues the whole bebre nti yakoba.
Because ya abrosan. Say na dey
at this point in Asase end also. So you utilize it as much as possible.
Well, be na why be no ba for na dey unya Asase okroma was say
I say utilizing no.
But efe dey.
But yes abantem samri. The team make us raise issues with the design.
Once this is accepted, when you can be quite.
Oh, there be say
no, if you you are changing cost.
Okay.
So the whole thing is estimated timeline
with regards to
once you have accepted this, that's what is going.
About tricky ni kakra bi na sa cost no adjustment be mu
dey one am stand there buy no.
Oh, you better.
And I be a Kotoko so in their response, so they did not state that. I'm saying they are buy, but it's fine. It's fine. It's so that goes out as a song.
To first in India, but I say Didiaku. I know you see, and so share based on the new project now. Kotoko, you are see on now. Next, I see your side, no new pitch, no plus. As to the forefront, no. I see your side on. Is about the kind Chemutiana.
Let's a stadium de be a nyama.
There be a Dr. Keke Sapon building na. It be a back off to create
to accommodate this.
No, we back we
na contain under.
Yes, sir.
Or no be diegu.
No to say some de yana just say free be.
No, I said no to vocal here. Omunyu. And I just anyway.
The young come it's a very dicey situation. But me they make me confirm say moving forward, ne ho betimi aka ne Dr. KK Sapon building.
Sat down.
And there because no what to
I know because I say was structural defect.
I almost say was structural defect.
And nana ya ponsa kan is obi a waye Kotoko adwuma bi anim sa asem no. Enye se e dan no BBC ne problem. But dan no insua to agusu a. And the initial plan of the building ne abrosan. To have been there contractor share dynamic say a person to so yenyi rods nim free so iron rods nim free so na yenye no edentia
na just be hard
instead of say o ye na abrosan no obetimi so ye ne dentia de a ebetimi absorb any form of pressure but why say o topping it up there then esa no ye ho adwuma bebre enti say nana at the point make that statement men so do not make ba nti Dr. Keke Sapon dem so to eje se bia omoye ne dantia ana say some person omoye na brosan dia omo take no off
biri na go
sa dan dia hwe be call off
this omo taking off na
omo ye nja se ne enko kakra bi mre
yakoba
ana si nya yo ko
yakoba ye nyamo
ye discuss fiends
and wa uni pam say amesi wo unze Mr. Steven Atukwesen.
And then Atukwesen birthday.
Yes, and then baby the gamba of
oh picture. Madam Fupa.
Born again. So many pa. Sometimes say wow nipa.
And them Europa FM or Europa TV.
Promise
TV, Promise FM. Asante Kotoko company for say mini kamfa na se emoduma mo. Ade fe fa mboye mai. Ye doko. And I say soft drinks ahodo assorted. And nsuo parks no kwamenti men kan no dodo no na dos.
So am see entudi.
Dabi. No we mo sa this gaso sa. Mo sa this gaso sa so eta church ni.
Scanso na nya bad.
Scanso no mood.
Na ye.
Mo ya de ye ni so.
Yeah.
Na mo sa beta ye ni so achi.
Ya ba ni nyina no pa ni awie nyina ni anyo ni oba. Na on set time om te efa body no. Mo so mo twa stadium no.
That's right.
Me ki sure say me na m ka di kan ti na me di akire first. Trust them ko farmers ho nyina
you know ya ni
ani mo ayede say aye na no na ye ye de ba na ho atmosphere na nye bad o
in fact ano pa no dem pam na reho no e wo so ba chi dom no ba ya na mo we dey say be jan ko ya ne be jan ko ji ni se be obi ya no
ebi fitting barrier ana mo de man
ne kra ni agi
GF4 by
led by the president himself
send on san also go be then so no an also diga
sa don't know what
minister so no so buy me hu say ne on so entourage
yes only all the security couples
yeah omo nyina ba
na the RCC the regional coordinating director o man e fetama
I don't know am akohene no no
yeah na me feel say Bechem United
o bojuma papa se bona bas
Bechem United
Jean
special
yeah
in fact yeah Virgin night almost you be Bechem
wow Bechem for no
Bechem United FC 1 week ba number 200 o bas ma ebe bon so ye bibia bi
but new cause no mo flag ni de na I say light green I say omo color bi no
sa
no mo de achi kam
ayi so omo sa de number sa na sa bai
o ma tro nu ado
o Bechem de agama na so bai
agama na mu ba
agama ba ye ni oni
bani nso atre for 90 mi amba
se nipa ndo so ntimi nka
baya o ma identify o so Bechem number o to identify Bechem
de chairman so no
na me kai say
home no work
na me say so mo ba say yi de o
kwa yi a onyini wodi
na so twen so anko
o se won tam ye
debi say yi na me ho so
me ga say me no ko program bi aje we have body na ma bo so wa ko so nko tan
ya na me ferry
intizana ye
ba so yi anko yi no ngoma ko enti o ma ntimi ama ensa ba
na lawyer na obusa na so we ga say nsa no
oh
ba ye me na nsa for ati ba me make mistake
ba so wa da order promise me dia
ba office
because
o be cross examine lawyer
me try to meet you
o be so mo nsa fudi
o ye pa don ba office be presentation
and anyone you know what me establish here Bechem on buy out of the bunch don't who Bechem so don buy
no o ma ye free the one sa am ya kwa
okay
this is
so mo de special na say because of the omaye
that's me go bia me mistake but me ntimi
at special na say no
ba say nso atre for by one hu omo
at a point na say me call inside the call penifo so I say bom to be free grounds na me call stadium inside
baby me so free we no be na call baby na kwesi apia moto no one break around 4 hall ko no tim say na man anti abia
because me bobodi atama
ya no ya adwene
me mistake
ya no adwene yemra ayi echina game no so me as a yi na mama bre me ntemu nkan yi
se say the yati ho ya adwene say yen kura na tia yen kan bo no mo so
okay
ba me no ka say yati yemra ntie na maba na gum so mo ko match promotion ko
yeah
nti omunam
okay
na mo so mo boy
for china
match na dey ba so baba ya responsible
na anom ga sa munye no maya na
oh yina ya reach an agreement say a big project so obi facility no ntumi so ya say ukobu ba bi egu atwe ba ni mu aye bibia oni mu je na mu kan no bani 40 ase say the National Sports Authority o man no de stadium wa show mo zano ze me no ka say o mni director general a no betimi anyam tumi so say munye wi obi o bi anso e hwenso no ta ma wa oni say
yeah ba adwuma
enti last
okay mistake
am bet so enti Wednesday no Dr. Banyako or chair the club licensing board no buy you know ko assessment who say for Ochina game ni there you bet me abo with some measures in place na for subsequently no ya he say but for me ko say bet my idea be say na
okay
na think I say to me but for Ochina there you be managing the situation
na say before am be assessment ni ade na think aka say mu baby akọ nti I say na you were resolute den baba ya na mbebo
no ya na adwunkire ene ade se
ade na think aka ya no o chere na adwun
na ma sha na no mo fi ma sha tira bia wo hu ni say na tumi kakra wo tama tumi kakra wo
ba na ya adwunkire
na adwunkire
o ka say ko to
no be so mama fo hu ni say ya hawa yo woni yiri ba bia
nti samre na o ka say Kotoko ni ba bia ko no o chere na adwun keke
o chere na adwun
na nye the position of Kotoko
me see no ochena bi say na position okasa makotoko okasa makotoko
nti nya adwenkyerɛ is the leader of the club and what taking the position of
aloya for me no ya call back to back one back
position ya adwenkyerɛ kana me wa position ya form of adwenkyerɛ
matuasi dina nya asem bia ese etumi ejina obi kyerɛ na adwene dia
dabi ye de mra na ye bibia bedu ba bia tama so se wasem bia na se de sika no
okay yeah
se oni bra mo bi
mu so dam for year sa nje so obetuma yi dam for year
dina asem bia na ye ka no saa se de ye ka na bia na nani abre go ba bia se nsem ni zi baaye no na ya ko ye se manfo no asem no tama honim ne so mo reject stadium no omo se munye we
ansan watimi abo
sa dine se ya reject
na se ne semantics
condition
na obi se o ko de dem no obi se ko jesu ansan no awura wa
there's a difference between say ya reject say
there's a jesu antimi ngura
difference ne se untimi o man ka se untimi mokora
ne mu ye we ansan no wa ba
we ansan dine se
reject
a conditional
rejection
rejection o say
in most cases your conditional approval o ka say a conditional approval but we there so we see canon that conditional approval no it was like munyewe ansana
they rejected
it means say
so a total rejection
the opportunity no was say munyewe ya ye be mo abo total rejection say muntimi mokora
de obe ma
sa but we dey see
munyewe ya ana we zo ana mo anya ana mo robo
this is our challenge
and it's so say na chere na dwene we no makọ
ye kotoko no but ye kwa ya beti na ye ene ma de kesi bia eno an say make zone ho ye yi ni mo na free ho na nka ya twa ba ni mu
okay
ye nya bia o ya ma shi bia na say maybe e dia ze ni mo na say e ho no aso a bus betimi apake ho both wo na we
yeah
bus ne official cars no
na o se bi wo ba bia sa
oh enya ba bia but a man for busu
to the mapa
e mo ye ho aduma
that
is what we are meant to
believe. Approve o mo de my basic understanding is and no mo obi
nta no mo ka mo se
de o mo se mo anya
to the movie
o ma mo no other stadium no ma approve any nyina obi
ntia mfa na se
bompo de ne man united de
tama say ya ntia se se ka se sales no
panty
ba bia team buses ebetimi agina drop players a umenya access to the dressing room and to the pitch then the officials management members ubenya access to the VIP or wherever na omu wi a bus no be people ho no a obi anya kwanko na omu wi at the same route na omo afa so from Bazia appear supporters enya omo access to them
and on the hands
nse ha de no
o say na mo ka o between baby but I still don't get it
make zone udu stadium left ho from the left hand side first washroom na one the next you need a mix zone want to mix zone usually no na players never call dressing room na how the space no enough say betimi accommodate buses too any be management official cars no too na mo yetimi tell me the number no
they use a VIP I don't know so on back car
baby no ya yin say DF per our arrangement no the number is 36 or 35 and your class form say save zone betimi ayusu e dia ko baby on so mkota in the case of players no 20 technical team 7 management and all other persons 6 35 members what they are saying is say in the players nkwan na empese supporters benya access to omo nimo management na ka ho no omo so ka so benya baby apaki edi nyina no sa o hwe baba yara the design no enye baby a ufa ho no obetina ko that's my but other centers no in most cases baby a mama example be say oboase to say how they are say baby VIP cars no so benya baby agina save zone ho no bi VIP fine
there's a VIP car baby am for na no
e de cost no
come say design na wo kan sa so I'm saying say this time no they are saying say come management cars it minya save zone so bi e pack
never ho
na
and now
pack we are in the case of Kumasi no yentimi emfa ho nko VIP dia ye ba be fa
This was how it
Tama na car no mo nso so. No, you say here change, we feel say. As a car no keeping it. Eh baba ya design ntina. Ye ntimi nwura ho nko so hwe oboase ya for example a. So oboase management ne timbers nyina awura omo save zone na. Management be fra ko so na makọ VIP. Na players so awura dan ho ko dressing room into the pitch. Into depending on the design of the stadium no. And I bet my but whatever it is no. Save zone no is not meant for timbers nkwa. Official cars and so can one each. And then Kotoko ne Lagos City's match 2 buses plus 2 official cars. Nani na keep for save zone.
Me issue with the save zone. Yeah, young command.
Nti ochina say no.
Baby, you
ochina dey be save zone here. Ochina tasi drop players no. Ewo mix zone. They decided say the other side one home offices no the other right by na asol masoleti asol. The hono be
that's opposite. Okay.
The hono be here maybe I be park cars na security no approve the mai.
The cars don't come as well.
The cars don't come as. Amas one there. Supporters na away supporters no. Na one be parking bus na ma fast gate na e dey go green stands one. Was it green stands na dey ama away for. Okay. The be say bus na be on. The away for be parking that side. Na say yama police.
That's away supporter if person turn VIP.
We on the copy VIP.
Person turn VIP. E wo decision betimi aba na mo no. No ahwe won yi.
As a mushego untimi sorry when you
say. Can you mo a person obi a ko ba bi a ya designated for away team supporters. Kasani ngi na pe obi wono mo a ogiri say on the person turn VIP. But here can so be turn VIP a wo ba no comporto.
Do team sha untimi sorry nyego.
No men ye wo hwe atmosphere no hwe de ni positivity say ko won
No say even abuchi na.
Na no we standing chama e be security. At na standing go VIP ne you in security be to checks animal. We want ma ni team be shegu. Obejulate
like if you have access to get your VIP ticket and they were wasama but that is they were designated place for the supporters.
That's how we agree.
But if you have your own access to get a VIP and they say wasama.
Come on, you know,
a lot of people go to the VIP. A lot of people go to the VIP. Meanwhile, they are away supporters.
Almost share something
to the stadium. So many police for and designated areas. I'll be intimate misbehaving. And yes, a lot of people, you must as a lawyer, only official protocol. You want to go to any venue and watch the game. You bought your VIP tickets.
Yeah.
You can go and sit at the VIP. The state should protect you. Oh, stadium or but the answer you will be or the old film. That's all could see what they are one hour. The man said, so we are man said, VIP. Lawyer Sarfo Duku on your Kotoko and answer will be for free. Legon City businessman be or person baby. Or free VIP where no one and I'm what no confront the car. Also be free to move around the stadium.
That is ideal situation. It's not because I say.
The officer, I asked me about Jemo.
Notwithstanding the arrangement, he said, I wait to
Mona.
I wait to come to Rabino. But you will be Tibiano. But now, the pressure police deployment, they say, I have fair.
And the police for no 1 minute, Yakano.
Say, come to Monasum.
Okay.
George, and I hear the first security meeting.
Okay.
48 hours before the league. Ochina.
This is Anna Moyano.
Yeah, Ochina 9 a.m. You better have a review. Security meeting. Then 10 a.m. I the pre-match and the technical meeting. Now after technical meeting, no.
The technical meeting called the same day of the match.
This time I see who the almost deployment, no. On paper, you want to have the entire is well covered. But be
I'm not Reki Kakra. I'm home baby. I'm saying a bear no hand. Example the baby.
No, on paper, you
now security as it.
Oh, Thomas, security. That must be a design. So on paper say,
hey, the lawyer, lawyer, go your argument or court. I'm now observe that question. O ko abeka say.
Yeah, the 5 go ha.
Yeah.
High still.
And why we are sending 5?
This time no. e me say be hu so be security bi o mo go ba bi fa ko be they say
they say mo we ball ni bi
they are not supposed to watch the game Sam is the same running.
Was already an enemy.
Supported police from Ra. Because they are going to go over to give me any doubt.
No, they see how some will be your police on fancy.
So, what happens with security now? Kotoko security.
Still was. On Beboa. There will be a sign.
I mean, I better stand a boy.
I'll be Bumba stand.
Obia Beko baby.
But I'm right in perimeter.
Nobody.
I'll
come and look. Sir, from Ochina, Kotoko Momacha, you Ubia in a perimeter. Apart from a technical bench, any place, no matter officials.
Now, I use ambulance for
almost come medical team come. Fire service and all the security personnel.
But these are
not even an up and grab. Enter the dressing room will be at him because he's a much. That is what I'm telling you. And that is going to work.
Now dressing room there for security.
Oh, you know, zone 1 I can't help you. In a perimeter, turn the more dressing rooms in our zone 1. And no be anything apart from players.
Chairman, go chairman.
Is it not?
Yes, Nana Kwame count.
Put me for VIP program.
Chelsea dressing room.
Oh, can we be any players?
Sorry, no. Those are VIP. Put me for dressing room. Tell me how Mohammed and my family and Babu.
So, from Ochina Sani. Tikotoko Yen will be a seen now.
And then I'm number dear sir.
Oh, so being the sanctions. Sanctions, no.
Lawyer, but I'm Montrassi, my images.
Some in any good
dress number Moses Packer Obeko.
If you are
Kwame Chase Obeko.
Over no message,
Chairman Joe Obeko dress.
Over no private message.
But so to say, what the sanctions about like and fine no said they know the documents on the buyer no fine someone that to for Ubrichi. Almost fine
but for example now alleged Yakubu Tias and Debia no or bench so as a tank up
they say
Saturday or Kodia
so you was
as I want to use on VIP so one I bet
so I don't know to go away
man in Koso man in Koso but Miss True and say other venues no now one book I got yours one will know
oh Chama and then match commission almost no
police and I didn't
know no money serious are you power because some don't know any can go
na munye
Chama who say and the be any complain you na Kotoko complain bitter
asem bisa for hina asem people
na yen kase poli won ya na me chiri say
the changes
won adinse no biaba eno na ye be kan da bia
who change ni bia be kai poli
the poli law or say the poli regulations
chairman for the be one dressing room there be fine o dia wo hambeti asem we dressing room
obekwa be nya fine no
yes no yeah aso am for say
o dia had your be
yeah be this so but we make sure so be as be this so
but to hano ebasa
for your matches
we are Kotoko
ebasa me feel say the police sir the safety officer na police are appointing no and then men no na say omo professional work e wa ha because of the work na me catch you say in Kumasi here utimi fa VVIP na the dressing room e don ma me on sanin me fa field no so no me room ana ohu no so say if
over VVIP call dressing
oh yeah o bi e ura o sanin fa David Upia Bontianza. So the Mayo Jumo Stadium.
Why then?
So my Uya Jumo Stadium. Unya Daryl Unya Jumo Stadium. Daryl. Oh, sorry, that time. Okay, what there, Batman Santo. Batman Santo na Bafo Oya Jumo. Bafo Oya Jumo. But
come as over Coronas and Joa, Onya Bonibia. Na ye chu dia.
Ba mutimi amana ya aka ebe ye. Na players no et say